Epoxy resin ring. Epoxy rings are not just jewelry. They can be as transparent as crystal or as deep as the ocean depths. They can contain a piece of nature, moss, flowers, shells, or even a piece of your favorite fabric. Or you can create something futuristic with metal inserts, sparkles, glow-in-the-dark pigments. Such rings can be personalized. Keep the memory of a special person or moment, for example. Contain sand from your favorite beach or a dried rose petal. Each of them is unique because customization allows you to create the perfect item just for you. The creation process. Making metal samples. To make the perfect ring shape, you first need to create metal samples of different sizes. They serve as the basis on which silicone molds are subsequently made. Casting the silicone molds. Metal rings are poured with a special liquid silicone, which becomes flexible and durable after solidification. These molds will help you get the perfect epoxy rings. Choosing an epoxy resin. There are different types of epoxy resin. It is important to choose a transparent, scratch-resistant, and UV-resistant resin. Some types of resin harden quickly, while others allow you to work with the material longer, mixing pigments or adding small decorative elements. Putting materials in the mold. Before pouring the resin, you can place anything you want inside the ring. Natural materials, flowers, leaves, wooden parts, stones, moss, artificial materials, metal inserts, sparkles, microglass, glowing candle wax. Pouring resin into molds. The resin is mixed with a hardener and carefully poured into the silicone mold. It is important to avoid the formation of air bubbles. For this purpose, use vacuum chambers or pass the surface with a lighter. Pulling out the products after curing. Depending on the type of resin, the ring can be removed from the mold after 24 to 48 hours. It does not yet have a final appearance. The edges can be sharp or matte. Finishing. Cutting off excess resin. Small irregularities or streaks are carefully cut off with fine-grained tools. Sanding. To make the ring smooth, it is sanded, starting with the coarsest sandpaper and ending with the finest, using water for the best effect. Varnishing and polishing. To give the ring a perfect shine, it is covered with a protective varnish or special oil, and then polished with a soft cloth or polishing paste. Why are epoxy rings so special? Such jewelry combines the beauty of nature and modern technology. They are eco-friendly because they allow you to use natural materials and minimize waste. They are budget-friendly in production because they do not require expensive metals or stones. And most importantly, each ring is unique, created for an individual style and meaning. Now you have not just a piece of jewelry on your finger, but a whole story.